Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My name is Abdurrahim Salisu, Victoria Gitimotion International. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Merariq TMI Magic 1, 2, and 3 tactics with ease. You open the Excel sheet with WPS application or Phoenix browser. Once you open it, it takes you to this page here. And the only thing you edit is the capital. You could see the minimum capital for each of the tactics is written on it. Now, Magic 1, the minimum capital is $320. So if you have $320, you want to use Magic 1, you just edit it to 320, type your capital. But before that, you subtract 20 from your capital. If you have $320, you now say 320 minus 20. What does it give you? It gives you 300. So that's 300. You type 300 there. You see? So immediately you impute the capitals there, every other thing is done for you. All you just need to do is to copy. As you can see, you now have 320 as a capital. So this is what you copy your multiple buy-in ratio, your margin call drop, and every other parameter. Copy it and save it on your royal queue. Then you can now go and load the setting on your coin and trade. That's for Magic 1. If another example is if someone is telling you he has, let's say, $473, then what you just need to do is to remove 20 for 423. If you remove 20, you will get 453. So you just come to this place, edit 453. That's all. It gives you every other thing. You just copy and save it on your royal queue. This is the 453 capital. Copy margin call drop, multiple buy ratio, every other thing. You copy and save it on your royal queue. That's all. Now, for Magic 2, the minimum capital is $120. So if somebody has $120 and wants to use several margin calls, as simple as all you just need to do is to say 120 minus 20. You have what? 100. So you come to the remark section, change the capital to 100. That's it. Then you just copy and save. As you copy and save on your royal queue. That's all. Now, if you have, let's say the person has 156 or let's say $172. $172 minus 20, you have 152. You come to that place, come to the remark section, change the capital, change that 100 to 152. So it gives you 172. That's all. Then you copy and save on your royal queue. That's all. That's all you need to do. Now, if you want to use Magic 3, Magic 3 is quite different from Magic 2 because Magic 3, 25% of your capital is spread across the first buy and the first margin call. Now, you see, if you're having, let's say, $120 minimum, all you just need to do is to say 120 minus 20 gives you 100. So you just come to the remark section, change that to 100, and it gives you, you see, change it to 100. Sorry, for Magic 3, you don't subtract. You just slot in your capital. You don't subtract 20. Just slot in your capital. You have $100, slot in it in. You don't need to minus 20 from like you do in Magic 1 and 2. So if you have, let's say, $100, you just type it, gives you the parameters and you save in your royal queue. If you have, let's say, $200, you can just slot in, it gives you the parameters. If you have, let's say, $720, you want to use 7 margin call, 720 gives you the everything. You don't need to minus 20 from the capital. So that's how it is. So after you've done that, you can just copy and save on your royal queue. That's all. Now, for you to trade, you download your trading view. Once you download your trading view, you can trade without analyzing any coin. Load all the coins, 79 coins on royal queue. Load your trading view. Then you come to this place here. Once you tap on that area, then you tap on charge, sort by charge percentage. It arranges the coin according to the ones that are not doing well. If you tap on it again, it arranges the coin according to the ones that are doing well. So now you see green and red. So if you want to use any of the magic, if you want to use magic 1, ensure that you have the most deep coin. Pick the most deep coin that is having minus 3% and above charge percentage. That's the one you use. You can see comp is the most deep coin, the least performing coin, but it's having 1.24. So you wait for it to have minus 3% before you pick magic 1 to trade with it. If you want to, that is if you want to trade without analyzing any coin, right? Now, you for magic 2 and 3, you wait for the most deep coin to have minus 5%. Once it shows minus 5%, then you can use magic 1, 2, or 3, any of the magic to trade it. But the maximum take profit for it should be 3%. It should not go beyond 3%. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you find this video very helpful.